Hi, my name is Susie Mekas with Tulip Interiors and Design here in Northern California. Welcome to my home. I just wanted to share with you two projects that Rustic Hardware built for me. First one is on our left here. It's a beautiful gray stained contemporary hardware barn door. This leads into a fairly contemporary bathroom. So it is a nice blend of old and new, as well as this took the place of a pocket door. So it was a great solution to getting rid of a door that I didn't care for and getting a conversation piece out of it. Speaking of conversation pieces, you can see these two beautiful barn doors behind me that have the same paint stain and hardware as the sister door in the hall. These barn doors lead into a room that we all have, we all get to use, but a lot of people don't put a lot of thought into this room, but I felt because of where it's located in my house that I needed to celebrate this room and make the entry fabulous. So this leads into the infamous laundry room. So there it is, but the doors really give it character, and you can see that they glide it easily. They don't slam against the wall. They also leave a large opening for the door coming in and out. Just a great conversation piece altogether, a beautiful piece of art. So I would like to say thank you to Katie and Paul for building a brand that cares about their customers and spends the time to build a quality product. Thank you so much.